Dito, natagpuan na rin namin ni Daryl. Pasok tayo.
Martin, I found this. This is the one that you always give me, like with chili, with like fish, something. You always give this to me. Look, I bought this in the Cafe Mandalay, the Burmese restaurant in England. How much is £8 for the small jar? But I love this. I miss this one. Remember one. Of course, the one that you make is the best. But I will try this. Daryl and I miss this so much. Para siyang namprik. In Thai namprik. But Burmese style. I found it! This is ginger salad. Look at the chili. Man ko na yung ginger salad. Paborito namin ito ni Daryl nung nakatira pa kami sa Yangon. Sarap. Very authentic. Burmese ginger salad. Sarap. Nakakamis yung Yangon. Yan lang po. Martin, balik chow. Balik chow, yummy, yummy. There you go, Martin. I'm eating now. It's like salted fish.
We got the Indian one.
Mr. Orchard and I miss this so much. My mohinga. Yum, yum, yum. Cow day, cow day, cow day.
Put some chili in if you want.
This is mohinga. One of my favorites in Yangon, Myanmar. There you go. I'm eating my Burmese noodles, mohinga. Paborito ko ito sa Yangon, mohinga. Powder. Ito para silang tofu. This is tofu, right? Crunchy. Have some.
We don't have the fish ball though.
I'm gonna flick into my clothes. We have.
I asked for the recommended.
Tall building, guys, dito sa London. Nakakatakot. Natakot ako sa tall building. At mag-transfer na naman kami, guys. Another train. Very weird, guys. So, walang tao. Because there's no train. The trains are cancelled. Stand on the line and hold on to the handle. tao dito. Nanonood lang ganito. Ang cute, oh. Ang ganda. Para siyang aquarium.
Ahí ese campo.